Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing another fall look, and if you haven't seen my fall look one, you should definitely go check that out. I'm going to put it up on the iCard. You can go ahead and watch that video as well. So I'm so excited to do this look for you guys again, and this is going to be only the eye look tutorial. Like, I'm only going to show you the eye part of the whole face, and I'm going to do the rest of the face off camera. So yes, let's get right into it. So today for this look right here, I'm going to be using the 35F Morphe Fall into Frost palette. It's like the perfect palette for a fall look. I'm already done with the base. I use the Maybelline Superstay foundation that's in the shade 310 Sun Beige, and all the rest of the products will be linked down below in the description box. So if you guys want to know which of the products that I'm using today, you're gonna find it in the description box. Alright you guys, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with this shade right here, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. contour brush, and I'm going to use this shade a little above my crease, so right here, and I'm just going to apply it in circling motions, and I'm going to extend it outwards just like that. I'm gonna take some more, and I'm gonna keep doing the same thing till the desired intensity of the color has reached. Just going to nicely blend it. Now I'm going to jump into this shade right here, and I'm using the same brush, but this time I'm going to use that color in my crease. Okay, so I'm just like darkening my crease a bit, and again I'm going to extend it outwards just like I did with the previous shade. You should definitely go check out the other fall look that I've done. It's also a very pretty look, and I'm sure you guys will like it. So if you haven't till now, please go check that out as well. Alright, so we're done with this. I'm going to take my blending brush, and this is also from e.l.f., and I'm just going to blend these two shades together just so there's no harsh line or anything. That's it, that's about it. So I'm going to take this little flat small angled brush, and I'm going to use this black shade right here. And now what I'm going to do with that is, I'm not going to apply too much, just a little bit. I'm just going to make a line over here and right over here, a line on my crease. Now I'm going to take my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this out. So now I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going to start off with my outer corners, so I'm going to apply it on my outer corners, and I'm just going to bring it in a little bit. I'm just going to keep doing this. Okay, I'm again going to use my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this out a little. So I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that on the middle of my lid. Okay, now I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to use this shade right here. Okay, and I'm going to use that on my inner corners. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the whole process, and I'm going to darken these two shades again. Okay, now I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm only going to apply it in a specific place. So I'm going to take this on my flat small angle brush, and I'm going to apply it just right here in my crease, in my inner crease, and I'm also going to put it here. So now I'm going to create this wing that I've created on this eye, and for that I'm going to be using the Lakme Insta Liner. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to use this little eye pencil. This is from Ellen Blue, and this is a crayon gel eyeliner, and this is the shade Emerald Green, and I'm going to use it on my waterline. And I'm also going to apply it below my wing. Alright, so I'm gonna clean up this area and I'll be back. Alrighty, so I'm done with cleaning up. Now I'm going to use my mascara, and I'm not gonna be using falsies today. So I'm using the Voluminous. This is from L'Oreal Paris. This is the Lash Paradise mascara. Alright you guys, I'm done with my eyes and this is how it looks. I'm gonna quickly go and do the rest of my face off camera, and then we're gonna sit and chat. Alright you guys, I'm done with the complete look and this is how it looks. I'm just gonna give you a close up. I just messed up with my eyeliner there. I'm just going to correct it before I take some photos to upload on my Instagram. So yeah, this is how it looks. I just added some highlighter on my brow bones to give a more, good, so that my whole eye look just pops out, and green on the waterline just makes it even more better. So yeah, this is the eye look, and this is my face. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you will be recreating this look. It wasn't that hard, and so this is my fall look too. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this look. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also come follow me on Instagram. There is a lot of looks that I do not post over here on YouTube that I post there on Instagram, so come and follow me on Instagram, you guys. Again, my Instagram ID will be down below in the description box and also somewhere here on the screen. So yes, come be a part of my Insta family as well. And for all those who have already subscribed to my channel and always come back to my videos and watch it, my love to you guys. And alright, so I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.